Shensea's son teach her to beatbox, and Jada Kingdom announced that she won't be releasing any music this year.
So I don't think I'm going to be able to release any music this year. But if I do, you guys would definitely know, of course, because I'm going to announce it.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Jano came up. We don't know what going with our fearless leader, Jada Kingdom, but she was on live today and she attacked some things. But one of the things that she said was that she not think she gonna release no new music this year. Now, me can imagine going a whole year without hearing Twinkle. So, I would hope that is not the case. She did say if she do, she are gonna make we know what go on. So, I have a little clip with her. I explain why she has said that. And I'm going to play that for you later down in the video. But people, let's talk about Shenseea and Raj. So you know say Raj have him jump set. You know say Raj are the beatbox king, right? Because we see plenty of videos with him and Ramesh and videos with him and Shenseea when I'm doing beatbox things. So it look like a something I'm serious about. Now I'm try to teach him mother how to do the beatbox. So Shenseea uploaded this video of her and Raj teach her how to beatbox. So I'm going to play the video for you so you can have a little laugh. So here goes. Here's the video. Take a look.
You have to do like put. Say put. Put. Okay, no, wait, now.
You need to give me some chance. Okay. You're not teaching me.
So you have to say but. Say but.
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 But. But. But.
It's amazing.
It's amazing?
Yeah. Good try. What one more beat?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, so it look like Shenseea now catch it right away, but hopefully she catch it because, you know what I mean, Raj insists. You see them go again before the video cut off. So she uploaded this video with the caption where say, I don't know how he does it, yo. He's so fun, I swear. At Rajir Lee teaching me how to make his beats. Could have sworn I heard a little French in mine though. So big up Shenseea and big up Raj one more time. I love to see that. Well, that's something we used to by now, you know what I mean? The mother and son bond. And it just I get greater and greater. Whether we see them guys zoo and now we see, you know what I mean, we see this and Shenseea always teach him overread and all these things. So may I say, so big them up one more time. But people, let's talk about Jada Kingdom. So like me telling you, Jada Kingdom say she not sure if she will be releasing any music this year. Right? And we had talked about 2021 and we only reach February. So we had talked about at least, you know what I mean? We had talked about 11 months. The clip for sure now with why she has said she don't think she gonna release any music this year and what she will be doing. So here goes. Take a listen.
So I don't think I'm going to be able to release any music this year. But if I do, you guys would definitely know, of course, because I'm going to announce it. But I don't think I'm going to be able to release any music this year. I'm trying to just figure out my space in the industry, and I can't do it alone. Tired, completely tired. We're trying to, me and Verse right now trying to work on my team and, management and all of that. So right now.
Yeah, people, so you hear what she has said. She says she totally drained. She feel like she need to rearrange some things. Or him, when she says she and Verse, that's her boyfriend for who don't know, you know, them a try to reset the team and try to forward again, which is not a bad thing, you know. But, you know what I mean, I don't know if it take a whole year do a twinkle. I don't know. One thing people, and me alone, I feel like, you know, if it takes so long. I mean, I want she do what she do and do it carefully, you know. But one whole year with no Jada Kingdom song, you know what I mean, we're not really used to that. Since the boss should be not giving music. And, you know what I mean, other artists did it. And other artists might come rise and, you know what I mean, we're not going to say take your space, do a twinkle, but people, it's a very competitive thing out there. The dancehall industry very competitive and everybody wants somebody's space. So we don't want to see Twinkle gone for so long still. We want she take her time off and do what she have to do and forward again. And people need to tell me if you don't agree or disagree with me. As a matter of fact, tell me how long the fans them, the Twinkle fans them, when they tell me how long when you think you can do without hearing some new Jada Kingdom music, right? So people, you know what I mean, that's what I go on with Twinkle. We know say Twinkle have her time then when she have to take her time and deal with certain things, and it look like I one of them not a time them this, right? People get in the comment section, tell me what you think about what she said, and again just tell me how long you think you can go without the music. I mean, that have for the fans them, because you know you have other people with other opinions. You can share no opinions as well, right? But people, that's it for today. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are.
2021 Alpha Run Right and Big D Promotions in association with the Power Circle presents Alkaline Live. You heard right. Alkaline Live in concert. Saturday, February 20th, 2021 at the SD Lawn, 5317 North Falkenberg Road, Tampa. Alkaline Live. Also performing Insidious and more artists to be added. Alkaline Live in concert. Make it a date. Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live. All of Florida coming out for this. Advance tickets start at $50. Get your tickets now on Eventbrite.com and all Caribbean outlets throughout Florida. For more info, call 407-749-8064 or 407-803-1212. Saturday, February 20th. Alkaline Live.
After all, dog, and that's how we had
You're deaf.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah,